Hello, my name is Maisha and I am the owner of Plentiful Hair Studio. And at Plentiful Hair Studio, what we do is non-surgical hair replacement, hair restoration, and hair extensions. So anything under the umbrella of adding more hair, we do here in my studio. But today, I wanted to talk a little bit about hair loss. My history as a hairstylist, I started off doing hair extensions and wigs. My career naturally progressed to clients who experienced hair loss. They would seek my services. I started off doing sew-ins with closures, and I came up with a little technique where I didn't use a band, and I was able to install closures on clients who didn't have a full hairline. But I started getting more and more clients who I couldn't help. So I would refer these clients to a dermatologist. And I started to wonder, like, what if there's in between? Like, what else can I do? So I learned more about non-surgical hair replacement. And in learning about non-surgical hair replacement, I became certified with several companies, of course. I learned so much about hair systems, the different types of hair systems, different type of hair. I'm also hair skein certified, and that is primarily a male type of, with men's hair replacement, but it's technically not just for men, it's short hair, basically, shorter units, about 6 inches or so. I became certified with them, and that has been so rewarding because it's like getting their confidence back immediately. And I started to wonder, like, what about the in-between? Like, what's in between hair loss and non-surgical hair replacement? And I learned more about trichology. And in doing so, I became a hair loss practitioner. And as a hair loss practitioner, I've been able to offer treatments for clients who are experiencing hair loss, including genetic alopecia. Now, when I first became a hair loss practitioner and started to offer the different treatments, I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it was true. I started to contact different trichologists all over the country, all over the world, to get their input and ask, is it true? Is it really, like, can clients really experience hair growth? And my reason for doing that is I did not want to get anybody's hopes up. I didn't want to sell snake oil. I didn't want to do that. That's never been the nature of my business. I have no problem with telling the client no, but I definitely don't want to do I didn't want to do anything deceptive. And as I started to do the hair loss treatments, and I see, lo and behold, I started seeing growth, and my clients would just get so excited, and it was so rewarding. And I realized that the reason that a lot of people don't get it is because they don't know. A lot of people don't know about the treatment options. They believe that there's nothing that they can do. And a lot of the times they would go to the dermatologist, and the dermatologist would prescribe something antifungal, and it wouldn't work, and they would just be like, oh, forget it, it's just not gonna work. But there are options, but the difference is it has to be multi-therapeutic, meaning you have to do more than one treatment, more than one thing at one time. And also it takes a commitment. That's just it. It takes a commitment. You have to be all in. You have to be committed to doing the treatment and the program. And in my studio, we offer two programs, a 6-month program and a 1-year program. Now, each program is not one program for each person. When you come in for your hair loss assessment, we do a microscopic scalp evaluation, and in doing so, we determine, is there hope for regrowth? Why did you lose your hair? What's your family background? Are you on any medications? And once we determine all of this, then the program is designed specifically for you and your needs. And again, you have to be committed. You have to be committed to the process. And once you do so, it's just a good feeling. It's just, just the problem is, or the thing is, I'm not gonna say it's a problem, but the thing is, when you have hair loss, you have to attack it as soon as possible. And a lot of the times when you get to treatment and it's been so long that your follicles are closed up completely, a lot of times they're there might not be any growth. But when you come in for your microscopic scalp evaluation, I can let you know, like, did your follicles close? Do you have any small hairs? Is there any hope there? And also, we offer low-level light therapy or low-level laser therapy or cool laser therapy. They have so many names for it. And cool laser therapy has been offered clinically for over 35 years, and it's FDA approved, and it's the best complement to any type of hair loss treatment that you're getting, because one treatment, it opens your capillaries and gets your blood flowing 54% in one treatment. Just imagine. And so if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at plentifulhairstudio@gmail.com, and please feel free to visit my website at www.plentifulhairstudio.com. You can look at my website. I have a lot of information on there. Also have information about my hair extensions and my non-surgical hair replacement. So some people want both. Some people want to do more than one thing. So I have most of my clients that do get hair restoration. They do indeed combine that with non-surgical hair replacement. And non-surgical hair replacement can sound so scary, but it is literally a skin-like system applied to your scalp to mimic your real hair. I don't know what else to say. That's the best way to describe it. And it sounds so scary because you hear the word non-surgical and you think, like, what are they doing? But it is a great complement to any type of hair restoration treatment. And I really look forward to meeting you. Like, this part of my career doing hair loss treatments and non-surgical hair replacement has been the most rewarding, and I do feel like this is what I'm supposed to do. And when you come in, it's not your hair anymore, it's our hair. Sorry, we have to share it, unfortunately for me and you. But that's just the way it has to be, because I need to see smiles on faces. That's my addiction. I'm sorry. If you have any questions, please feel free again to email me at plentifulhairstudio@gmail.com. My number is 708-529-6000. I tell people to email because when I'm in the studio and I'm working, I might miss the call. So I really think it's best to email. And also, if you go to my website, www.plentifulhairstudio.com, there is a Contact Us tab where you can also jot down any questions you have there and peruse my website. Again, it was nice talking to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And please enjoy the rest of your day.